Diction. What is diction? In literary work or in English literature. So what does it mean? Diction. Diction is a selection of words, right? Diction is a selection of words in the literature or in any literary works or in any literary writings. In literary writings means selection of words in prose, in poetry, in fiction, in drama or in any kind of short story. Means we can say that diction is a word choice. It depends on the writer what kind of word he is going to choose for his writing. So he selects the words for his literary works. So diction means selection of words or word choice. It is one of the most important literary devices in prose. One of the most important literary devices, as every prose writer use it, right? So it is very important. Now in detail, let us try to understand what is diction in detail. Diction in Latin language, diction, that is dicere or dictum. To say, we can say that in Latin language, selection. Diction is selection and arrangement of words in speech and writing. Use of words or selection of words or arrangement of words. You can use any word for this literary device diction. Use of words, selection of words, or we can say arrangement of words. Use of words in oral or in written discourse. It is just like a simple list of words makes up a vocabulary. Okay, a simple list of words makes up a vocabulary. The accurate, careful use of these words in conversation or in discourse, it makes good diction. Means the more vocabulary a writer knows, the more accurate or careful use will be of his diction, of his words. So diction varies according to the ends a writer. It depends on the purpose of a writer, what motive he has, what purpose a writer has for his writing, and according to his purpose he will choose diction or he will select the words for his writing. So diction varies. Diction, they may be very different. There may be a variety in the selection of words, and that depends on the purpose, on the motive of a writer, what he wishes to achieve, what he wants to get or wants he wants to tell or give the message. The kind of diction will be decided by the nature of the literary form. So it also depends on the writer that what literary form he is using. He wants to convey himself whether in poetry or in prose or in drama or in novel. So what kind of literary form he is going to use, that kind of diction will be decided by its nature. The subject, what is the subject of his writing, what may be the theme, what may be the plot, and the style of the day. Style of the day at that time, what style is going to be famous or going to get the heart of its reader. The ornate, therefore we can say in brief, the ornated, decorated, balanced rhetoric of 18th century prose is regarded inelegant and inappropriate. So we have, or we must go with the time, because that is the demand of the time, that what style he must use. He must not try to use the old style, but modern style of that day, because it doesn't matter that how much decorated, how much balanced, how much rhetoric style or diction was or had been of 18th century prose, is now today or in modern time it is regarded inelegant and it is regarded unsuitable or inappropriate. At what time? In modern time or in modern writing. So that was our diction.